Ferber, I actually do remember you. I do, in fact, remember you. Thank you for coming back to the stream. If there's anything in particular you would like me to cover, feel free to ask at any time, and I would be happy to do technical analysis for you. We do have a pretty good list of things that I want to hit today, like, bullet points. But I'm accepting recommendations for stocks I should cover at any time. Feel free. And for anyone else who might be new here, again, my name's Ethan. You can visit my website, ethanwrenn.com. While you're there, make sure to join the Discord. Check out my other social media outlets such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. I'm really active in the Discord, so if you want to get a hold of me 24/7 to ask a question, go to Discord. That's where I'm at. As you saw, Hazel earlier said I'm not the best at replying to DMs. If you DM me, I probably won't see it. Go to the Discord. Let me bring their chart up real quick. We're pretty much done with Spotify. We covered it pretty in the next ticker. Hello. This is I could try to pronounce the name. I'm not going to pronounce it correctly, so forgive me. Arcelor Mittal. Let's look out here. You might have brought something pretty interesting to the table, Mr. Ferber. You might have brought something pretty interesting to the table. Let me look at it a little more in depth here. Explains why the lines are there. I do kind of like it. Let's look at it more in depth here. You guys are welcome to share links in chat if there's anything you'd like me to look at. Videos maybe, like React, Reddit posts, whatever. We do have a Reddit. Feel free to go follow Reddit r/EthanWrenn. Go check it out. Now, I didn't add this downtrending measurement anytime recently, I can assure you, but we have this measurement here for a negative 80%. I do quite like the company overall. They seem to always meet earnings quite well. They're at a 28 billion market cap, which is the smallest of the market caps of the companies we've looked at today. Leaves room to grow, of course. Dividend yield of 0.86%. Pretty low dividend, but I mean, it's better than zero, which I think all three of the things prior to this had zero for their dividend. So it has that going for it, that's for sure. In 2017 and 2018, it had a profit margin of 6.7%. 2019, they saw a profit margin of 3.48%. And then in 2020, they saw a profit margin of negative 1.38. I'm not sure if I said negative for 2019, so I just want to emphasize. In 2019, it was negative 3.48. Not the worst company to have your money in. This price channel kind of concerns me right here. If it struggles to break above, let's say, 35.50, if it can't get above that 35.50 into that 40 range, it's kind of rough. But overall, this company has pretty big prospects, as you can see in the 2000 era boom after the year 2000. It saw a massive massive growth. Look at this. In the year 2000, we'll say 3, all the way up. That's over 5,000%. That's a massive range. You can't really find that many other places. But so this company's all right. Maybe it's not the best buy at this exact moment in time. Again, we got this tiny price channel here. I didn't add any of these lines. You all saw it on stream. But yeah, not bad. I have a lot of people who come in here and they'll give me like a dink doink or something wild. This one's definitely a cut above. Mystic, we covered Roblox, right? Did I already cover the Roblox